Welcome back to Fact Man. My name's Jason, and today I have 10 videos of lightning strikes that are sure to shock you. Pun intended. And please, if you enjoy the video, hit the like button and enjoy more just like it. Our first video takes us to Sydney, Australia. Filmed early December 2014. This is summertime down under in storm season. The video was shot by Uma Pekkanen and her partner Kamal Deep.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Oh my
God!
That's just scared the shit out of me now! Is that guy okay?
Fuck!
He's alright, he goes.
We got it on that.
Yeah! Oh!
Shit.
Is he alright?
Oh,
I think he must be in shock.
No, he was on the side.
He would be in shock. Oh.
The lightning bolt slices through the tree like a hot knife through butter. A few guys hurry to check on the driver, who thankfully wasn't hurt. An ambulance just happened to be going past at the right time. And from Australia, we head to the Philippines. When you think of lightning, you automatically think of rain and thunderstorms. But erupting volcanoes can cause lightning too. It's called volcanic lightning. Taal Volcano, one of the Philippines' biggest volcanoes, and is one big caldera filled with water. It had a series of eruptions in 2020. These locals got to experience it firsthand.
Iba na yung amoy.
Amoy ano na?
Amoy sulfur na, no? Naku, hindi ko pala sinuot yung ano. Oh my God! Nakakatakot yung mga kidlat.
Oh my God!
Lord, keep us safe.
Next, we head to Lake Charles, Louisiana, a small city north of the Gulf of Mexico, where a group of friends gathered to watch an ongoing lightning storm.
Hey, you can get the
The Gold Coast is the second largest city in Queensland, Australia. Footage from the vehicle's dash cam caught the tail end of this lightning strike. As the car approaches the roundabout, the lightning strike branches off in every direction, and if you blinked, you'd miss it. So let's see it again in slow motion. On an evening flight from Chicago to Kansas, a lightning storm brewed in the clouds beneath the aircraft, putting on a spectacular light show. Apopka, Florida is a small city north of Orlando. On a stormy day in June 2018, a K-9 officer with the Apopka Police Department was loading equipment into his car. Behind him, a lightning bolt comes down on the right side, causing the officer to nearly jump out of his uniform. The strike knocks all the lights out and some fire rises from a small explosion. Houston, Texas is the fourth most populated city in the United States. On June 5, 2021, Everyone living in Houston witnessed a beautiful lightning storm stretching across the sky. No matter where you were, all you had to do was look up. The next video comes from China and was recorded by a scooter rider in 2019. One woman took her scooter out for a joyride through the flooded streets. She came face to face with one of Mother Nature's most powerful displays of force. Dash cam footage from the car behind her shows her navigating the flooded streets, seemingly enjoying herself. Then, without warning, a series of lightning bolts strike mere inches from her leg. The sudden jolt causes her to crash and fall into the water. After the water cleared, you can see the hole in the ground and loose asphalt. On August 14, 2020 in Manitoba, Canada, a tornado warning was broadcast to all residents while filming the storm clouds. Storm chaser Jordan captured something truly amazing. While lightning looks incredible, sometimes it sounds even cooler. Romulus McNeil, a local resident of Horry County, South Carolina, was leaving his job as a school counselor when a heavy downpour started. He described it as raining cats and dogs. When the rain momentarily eased, Romulus decided to make a dash for his car. He opened his umbrella and stepped outside, but little did he know that he would face something much more frightening than just rain. As he walked halfway down the path, a sudden lightning bolt appeared to strike his arm, causing him to jump and drop his umbrella. Although the lightning hit the ground near him and not the umbrella, it was enough to give Romulus a significant scare. If you loved this video and crave more exciting content, don't miss out. Click the link on the screen right away to watch another captivating video. Thank you for watching and be sure to stay tuned for our next installment.